Hello there folks, my name is Nichols and today I wanted to introduce you to a new class that I have on Udemy called Adobe Premiere Elements for Beginners. Now, if you're a video photographer, you'll know that it's actually very easy to shoot video. You just press the button on your camera or your smartphone and off you go and you record some great looking video clips. Putting them together into a kind of viable or credible or nice looking movie is a totally different ballgame. It is normally very time consuming and that kind of puts a lot of people off. Not so with this program, because as I preview in the early part of the class, I show you how you can actually find the clips, put them into the application and literally press a button and watch it do the magic. And I was blown away when I first saw these features in Premiere Elements because they actually work. I'm very cynical when it comes to these kind of auto smart type functionality because they don't always do the job the way you want them to do them. In this case, it actually works 110%. Very, very good. So that is incredibly encouraging if you're just starting out and you've got a heap of video clips and you think, oh gee, what am I going to do with all these? I will show you how to put them into the program and use these functions, and there are multiple functions in Premiere Elements that allow you to do this, to create an instant or a very quick production video. So it'll take a matter of minutes to produce something that's actually pretty good. Of course, all these programs have a higher level of sophistication, and Premiere Elements is no slouch in that department. It has some amazing extra effects, special effects, professional functions that you can add to make your video look really neat and very slick. So in short bites, in short tutorials, I show you extra levels of sophistication so you can take your video production from relatively quick but not hands-on video production in the instant movie category all the way up to adding soundtracks, sound effects, color effects, sharpness effects, animations, cartoons, all that kind of thing, plus video stabilization and fantastic visual effects. The designers of Adobe Premiere Elements have actually been very neat because they put together some of these very sophisticated features into almost sort of one button effects. You just literally put them onto the clip, press the button and watch them do them. So they've made it a lot easier, and my job, I think, as a teacher is to show you what these functions do, when and where you would use them. Well, that's all for now. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the class very soon.